I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
First, install the NET7 SDK and Visual Studio Code on your machine. Next, install the C# extension by Microsoft and restart VS Code to enable language features. Create a new project folder and open it in VS Code with File then Open folder. Use the integrated terminal to run .NET New Console to scaffold a sample app. Confirm .NET Build runs and .NET Run executes the program. Keep your SDK version consistent for predictable tooling behavior. Open the Run view and click Create a Launch. JSON file to configure the debugger for. .NET. Choose NET Core Launch Console and save the generated configuration in the VS Code folder. Verify the program entry and args fields match how you want to run the app. Set breakpoints by clicking in the gutter beside line numbers before starting a session. Press F5 to launch the debugger and confirm the debugger attaches and stops at your breakpoints. Use the call stack and variables panels to inspect runtime state. When the debugger pauses, add watch expressions or inspect the variables pane to check runtime values. Use step over to advance a line, step into to enter a method, and step out to finish the current method call. Evaluate expressions in the debug console to test fixes without rebuilding the app. If the debugger fails to attach or OmniSharp reports errors, restart the OmniSharp server or reload the VS Code window to recover. Finally, use breakpoint conditions and log points to narrow complex issues without changing source code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.